Now at 5, a man accused of running a multi-million-dollar drug empire in federal court today, acting as his own attorney.
The judge gave Glennie McGee permission in August to represent himself, and that came after he fired his previous lawyer. Our Brendan Kirby in the studio now.
And Brendan, this was a motion hearing.
Yeah, that's right, Lenny and Cameron. McGee asked the judge to step aside from the case, and he asked for an order directing jailers to provide him with a special diet. U.S. District Judge Terry Moore denied both of those motions. Prosecutors allege that McGee directed a sophisticated drug distribution network using children in some cases as couriers. Law enforcement officers say that they found a 3-year-old with a backpack full of drugs during a raid last year. McGee contends that prosecutors withheld evidence that could help his case, text messages between an agent and a confidential informant. He says he received those messages a week before a trial that the judge cut short in June. He argued that the judge allowed prosecutors to withhold evidence and should remove himself as judge. Prosecutors say that the messages in no way help McGee. Judge Moore said today that he won't step aside from the case, and he said that even if his ruling on the evidentiary issue was wrong, he noted that McGee now has those messages in plenty of time before a trial set for January. Judge Moore also sided with prosecutors on McGee's other request regarding the special diet that he says is necessary because of his health condition. The judge told him that the U.S. Marshals Service and Mobile County Metro Jail need a prescription from a doctor to that effect. Jason Darley, an attorney appointed as shadow counsel to help McGee if he wants it, says that asking a judge to step down from a case is an aggressive move that lawyers usually would not take.
They're very rare. They're very rare. But Mr. McGee is his own lawyer, and he's putting in a lot of time in this, and this is the route he's going.
Prosecutors today raised another issue. They say that in responding to McGee's motions, they found that he cited the wrong case from the wrong court that ruled the opposite of what McGee said it did. And they said that suggested that perhaps artificial intelligence was used to draft the document. Ironically, that's what got his previous lawyer dismissed. McGee, though, told the judge that he was working with someone else who gave him the wrong case. Reporting live in the News Center, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.